Hi, everybody. My name is Elizabeth Wirick, and I'm from Twisted Roots Yoga Studio here in Live Oak. I'm a certified yoga instructor and sound practitioner, and I'm so excited to share with you our beginner-friendly foundational yoga series. We're going to break down our foundational poses step by step. Each video will help you to slow down. It'll be easy to follow, and it's perfect for your yoga journey. And we'll be able to focus on alignment and just building your confidence on the mat. What to expect? Well, we're going to go ahead and we'll take these foundational poses, and it's going to help you improve on your posture, your flexibility, and your balance. The key elements for a good, strong yoga practice. You'll be ready to go, and you'll be able to build that confidence and build that connection on the mat. So we'll go ahead and we'll start with about 6 classes for about 6 weeks. Every Tuesday, I will put out a video about 10 a.m. Eastern time. So please follow me on my channel. Go ahead, subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notifications so that when I drop a video, you won't miss out. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please put them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Next week, we'll start with Tadasana, mountain pose, and I'll see you next Tuesday on the mat.